Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Nuzia and I will be moderating today's presentation. First, let me extend a warm welcome to Group 10, who will be presenting on contract law in online transaction, issue and solution. We would also like to silently thank our lecturer, Ma'am Dea, for her guidance. This presentation will explore the legal challenge surrounding online contract, supported by data, case example, and proposed solution. Let's all listen attentively. Without further ado, and I now invite Salam Melinda, Zulfikar, and Muhammad Raihan to begin. Hello, I am Nuzia Salsabila with student ID number 1111220292 and I will present the definition and main content. Table of content, definition and key concept, supporting data, the scale of the problem, example, case and train, analysis, core issue and argumentation, proposed solution, conclusion and reference. First, definition and key concept. Definition is traditional contract, a legally binding agreement formed by over, acceptance, consideration, and intention to create legal relation. An online contract or e-contract, a contract formed through electronic means over digital network, website, apps, and email. Core mechanism in online contract transaction, broad web agreement, terms are posted via a hyperlink, use of the site implies consent, and click web agreement, user must click I agree to process, and electronic signature, digital data used as signature legally recognized in many jurisdictions. Thesis statement, while foundational contract principle applies, the digital environment creates unique challenges regarding consent, transparency, and fairness, necessitating legal and technological solutions.
My name is Ella Melinda with student identification number 1111220095. In this presentation, I will explain issues related to electronic contract, support by data, case studies, and current trends. Supporting data. This slide presents supporting data on the prevalence of issue in electronic contract. According to the Indonesian National Consumer Protection Agency, consumer complaint related to online transaction increased by 65% 2021 to 2022. Approximately 40% of the complaint involved unfair contract terms, particularly in e-commerce and digital financial service. Common issues include hidden fees, complicated cancellation procedure, and unclear dispute resolution clauses. These findings index a systemic problem in standard form-only contract, where consumers are often placed in a disadvantaged position. Case study, the Amazon price glitch. This slide discusses a well-known case study called the Amazon price glitch. This phenomenon occurs when the technical error causes product to be displayed at unrealistically low price. From the customer perspective, the display price is considered a valid offer, and placing an order is viewed as acceptance. However, from the company's perspective, the price display is merely an invitation to trade and not legally binding. In many jurisdictions, courts tend to side with companies due to absence of genuine intent, highlighting the power imbalance in automated contract. Trend: dark patterns. This slide explains the growing trend of dark patterns in digital platforms. Dark patterns are deceptive design practices that manipulate user decisions, such as easy sign-up with difficult cancellation, dual insulting language, and hidden codes. From a contract law perspective, when content is obtained through manipulation, the principle of genuine agreement is undermined, raising concerns about the validity of such contracts.
Analysis jurisdictional and enforcement dilemma. Problem: online platforms operate globally, users are local. Common clause in TOS. This agreement is governed by the laws of platforms, homestead, or country. Any dispute must be resolved in its court. Consequence for users: prohibit fairly high cost to pursue legal action in a foreign jurisdiction. Effectively waives the user right to legal recourse. Create a regulatory vacuum where local consumer protection laws are circumvented. Analysis: this practice question the very notion of justice and access to remedy in cross-border digital contracts. Proposed solution: legal and regulatory solution. Enhance transparency laws. Mandate clear, concise summaries of key terms. Regulation of dark patterns. Explicitly ban deceptive UI design. Strengthening unfair terms regulation. Stricter scrutiny and blacklisting of abusive clause. Technological solution: smart contract, self-executing code on blockchains can increase transparency and automate performance but raise new issues. Immutability code as law. Standardized icons, use of universal symbols for data usage, cancellation policy, etc. Alternative dispute resolution. Mandatory online dispute resolution mechanism integrated into platforms. Faster, cheaper, and more accessible than traditional litigation.
The next is conclusion. Online contract law operates at the intersection of traditional doctrine, technology, and user behavior. The core issues: illusory consent, unfair terms, and enforcement barriers stem from the inherent asymmetry in digital platform. Notional solution exists. Multi-phase approach the required robust legal framework protection digital consumers, ethical designer standards from platform, innovative technological tools for transparency and dispute resolution. The ultimate goal is to ensure that the efficiency of digital commerce does not come at the cost of fundamental constitutional, contractual frames and justice.